guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool cute sticker in Canva. So I'm just going to, you can also select graphics actually, I'm just going to do that. I'm going to select this one, select edit image, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to select shadow and you're going to select outline. You're going to adjust the size here and you're going to select the white as the outline. Then I'm going to select the plastic texture here and I'm just going to place it on top of the sticker like so. Is that below or okay, that is above, and you can kind of adjust the texture opacity if you'd like to. You can also add on a paper texture on top if you'd like. And that is pretty much it, really. It is that simple, and when you have printed it you can just crop the rest of the textures out. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!